Everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video I want to show you how you can easily download Ace, that's a crypto wallet, in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your internet is connected securely. App Store, which is the familiar blue icon with the A in it. Let's click in here and you will get opened. Click the search icon and in the above search bar you can just type in Ace. You can find various of option here. First one is add, so we want to click the second one with the green icon. You can check out their screenshots and reviews before downloading. And let's click the get so that the download process get started, and it will ask you for your ID verification either with the touch ID or face ID. And finally app has started to download. After app get downloaded, you can just open by clicking the open button, and here you go, your app is now on your iOS device. Okay guys, enjoy your time with the Ace app, but for now I have to go. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.